You believe
No,
you
not
didn't
hard
share.
money. It's a chapari.
Not the Sabri.
It's a chapari luck.
You are talking about the MBA chai wala. MBA chai wala is the new education by the parents job because he had parent job. His parent job working in the job, so he. Good morning, sirs and ma'am. Very first, I would like to thanks to you all for this golden opportunity. It's my great pleasure. And my name is Pranshi Yadav. Today, I'm having a debate on the topic of job versus business, and I'm supporting to the job. Before starting my topic, I would like to thanks my honorable Vipin sir who has given a chance to speak in front of you all. As well as I would like to thank you all because you are going to appreciate and listen carefully my thoughts. I am supporting the job.
Thank you, everyone. Good morning, my opponents and my team. My name is Neha Singh, and I'm in favor of a business. So it's today as a debate on with job versus business.
Good morning, ma'am, sir. As you already know, we're gonna debate on the business is good or job is good. So I favor of job. Job is better than business because everyone can do their job to have some skills. And if you start business, so you have to more money to start business. And suppose your business will not run, so how can you run your home? That's all.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Prince Gupta. Today I am here to debate on job versus business. I favor business because business is far better than job. In business, if you do business, then you have more money and more patience. And if you go to job is very hard, very difficult for all. Everyone not give job and
As I am supporting the job, my opinion is that if you are belong from a poor person, you are not able to do directly business. So I am telling you that you should do first job, then you should go for the business, because many poor persons don't have more money to directly go on the business. So I am to start on their own business directly. So I want to tell you that you should start first your job and then you collect more monies and then you can easily start for business.
if you start business, you create jobs and all. You give jobs many persons. The the things that for starting the job, the more money required, it is not. If you have less money, you can start and after some times you you
As you say, I'm not agree with your point that if you're starting like first a job, then you have more experience than the business. You are experienced person, become you are experienced person how to deal with the like business, how to do business. You can do better way if you doing first job and you know the how the businessman deal the. There are many things which give the jobs. Yes, how to business run, they give these opportunities.
It is not a topic of on a skill. You have a skill, so you can do a business. A farmer, you don't listen about a farmer. Farmer haven't a skill to do a business, but in India, farmer is the biggest business on job because he has a field and he has do business. He sell their grains, sell their plants and many more. So he doesn't need to
No, ma'am.
have
I'm
a
not agree
skill.
with your point that there are all farmers have don't have many fields because I am belong from a village. I have my fathers have don't have more fields to do the business, and it is only for the like Haryana. You can look the Punjab state. There are many states you can look, and in the like Jaunpur district and there are many districts. The people have don't have more fields to do the business.
same like this. The most person not get job and all because they have no skills.
Yes.
People
I'm telling you
want
that
people wants to get a job, but they have no skills and the unemployment is increased very high. For if you do business, you can create jobs and all. You make a very strong person.
If you learn the many skills, and when you're doing the job, you can learn also a skill. There are different skills you can learn together with your job, so you will be easily good for the business. Okay.
Please repeat. Repeat, bro.
So as for repeat it, just repeat it.
Repeat it.
In farming, the many person has a large field. They do business that and and grow the vegetables, grains, and sell in market. But I never favor in job because job is very timing. If you not disciplined, you not do the job. In the job, you works in 20 hours or 12 hours and not get more money, and you get only 20k or 25k. If you have business, you have more profit and more less. Sometimes it is better for you, and this is for better for not better for you. And the profit, if you have get profit, and your profit is 1 lakhs, above 1 lakhs. I agree with you, sir. But what type of business you will start? Any type of business. I do my BTech in CS branch, and making on companies. I wanna making on companies. Suppose if you have don't money to open your own company, so how could you? I in If I get any ideas for my preparation, then I think ideas. I want to know how can you make money to create your own business. If I get IITs, then my teachers and my professors thought about this, that how to create on companies and all. You said in business we earn 1 2 lakh, 5 lakh, and more than. Yeah. But I see many businessmen in I see many business like we can say, suppose if your business is going losses, so how can you make it profitable? And if my business going loss, then I analysis how to this decrease and all. The the CEO of Google said that I am not in IIT, but my all employees in IITs.
And yeah, my point is that if you want to become a hero, you have to start from zero. There are many successful persons who became a successful from the zero. They not badly become a successful in a just they started from the zero, and they are working hard, and they become a businessman. Like there are many successful persons, you can already look them.
If you know Ashnis Grover,
Yeah.
I read your dream is looking like everything is possible overnight. But how can you? It's not possible overnight.
Not possible.
If you do the job, and then you work hard for this.
And you are saying that if you start a business, your professors and your friends will help you. But if you don't have money, there are many students. Professor cannot be able to help more money. You have to be own money, so you can start a business.
I don't say that I start a large level. I can start small level, and I increased my.
How you start from small like a small business? If you do if you don't have money, then how you start? So I'm telling you that if you doing after BTech, you can do the jobs, and after doing jobs you have earn money, and from this money you can do business, and you can get easy experience of the many more things. It will be the better for you. I am telling that. I am not telling that you have to go for the business.
If you have only 500 rupees, you can make a tea and make a bread and cook them and sell them. You earn money. next day you make more than you earn also money. And their other business is you do farming in a small area of a field. You um, you grow grains and sell them. Some grains have to food and some grains to sell them. Then next time you sow many more grains and many more. If you other field, you see that in my father era, in your also father era, many people say hasn't and haven't a skill about business, about job, about anyone. In 20th century, all even next to 90% is have a literate person. But in your father era or my father era, 10% is a illiterate person and 90% illiterate person. But they do job and now they have a good business. My father is also not a literate, but they do business goldsmith. And my grandfather is also not a literate, but they also do a farming business. And today he is a good farmer and good seller and good businessman. My mother is also not a study well, but she is a good homemaker, and with her homemaker she is good businesswoman selling cosmetic things. They don't have a skills and they don't have a job and they don't have any ideas of them. But they start from a small. They have only 2,000 rupees and they only sell 2,000 cosmetic goods, and they have a skill on a sewing machine. So they start sewing a clothes and they doing a start a business like a women's clothes. So if you start a business, yes, thinking about your business. So think about from a small things and then do. If you my father friend, they have done money and they have done any skill. It's a in that bad time they start from a the from home grains and they're doing making to pakodi and chai. Today their business is convert into a 5 places business.
But suppose if you start business and people don't like your product, so if you are not, your selling is not good, so and it's your own business, so if that much you will sell, that much you will get profit for that. But in it's a weak point of, it's a negative point of business. But in jobs, your salary is fixed. Either either company is going in loss, either is it going on profit, but you get 30k or 25k. It's that's your fixed salary. But in business you can't get, so it's the
I'm
weak
also
point.
doing a job, but if my company is going in a loss, say, so they my salary become a loss, become a 2,000 cut 500 because they said that you haven't skill, you don't work, but all employees doing very hard work with very highly skills. I know I am not a skill person, but my all employees friend who has senior, they are very skills and they highly hard work. So my boss, and it's not about my company, it's all about many IT's company and many companies. They cut their salary. If you are doing a job in a foreign, if their company is going to loss, they cut their salary or they reason anything.
Ma'am, uh, you are saying that if you start a small business, then you will become a successful person. So I'm saying that if a person belongs from a poor family, then he how he earn money, they have to be go only the for job. Then they can start small businesses because of they don't have a more money, they don't have a money, they cannot be get money from anything. So they need to do job for the small business. So they job is important because it if you lost in your business, then you can do the job and you can set your life.
If you have a skill, you do anything. Like you can dance, you can upload your video on in YouTube, Instagram, and anything. Today you know that many people are doing a YouTube business. You are, if you know, if you doesn't skill, you can resell the product of Meesho, Flipkart, and Amazon and anything. You doesn't have skill. You only take this product, and he can learn how can you sell and how can you manage and anything. If you skill of acting, you can acting. You have skill of mimicking. You have skill of speaking anything. You have skill of learning anything. You have skill of teaching anything. You can job on any platform.
First of all, ma'am, if you are saying that for money, if you start anything, you have to need money, because I came here because of the my father is doing job, so I came here. So I my father's money, I came here and I learning English. So if you want to learn any skill, you have to be earn money. Without money, if you don't have money, then you cannot be easily learn many skills. Like if you learn from your mobile phone, the mobile phone you have to purchase. If you're doing job, then you can be purchased. If you're not doing job, you cannot be the purchase. Because my father is, you have a phone because of your father, because your father getting your phone and the money, because your father is doing job. So job is a very important, not the only business.
In India,
And suppose who have no their father and their father dead, so how can they earn money? How can they start their business? They have to first they do their job, then they start anything.
in India, many persons that like as Gautam Adani, Mukesh Ambani belongs to a very poor family, but he works hard and go and open on business.
Yes, his father is
and
supporting him.
and this time in Asia, he is richest person.
You also know Adani, Mr. Adani said, yeah, he did job first, then he started business. That's why I'm telling you.
No,
Job is very important than businessman.
no, sir, no.
He is working hard, and if it's hard working, then he become a successful person. He is not directly become a successful person on the richest person. He is working very hard, so became a person.
You listen about BTech Pani Puri wali and chai wala and anything.
If you are doing BTech, then how to earn money? Because your father give you money.
In your BTech,
You don't earn
don't
easily
teach
money.
you
No.
how to make a tea and how to make a pani puri.
If you like doing, you are want to doing a BTech, the money, who give you money? Because your father give you money, because your father is doing job, so you
My father
take money.
doing a own business. He's selling he is a farmer. He is selling grains and veggies.
Your father is doing business, it's not a for the all person, because I have a belong from a poor family, I have no many fields, so I cannot do easily business. It depends upon situation of the people who can do it.
If you if you don't have study don't have study, but you only know about that how to calculate money, then do start money. Then do start any business.
How to calculate money? You have to be study, the study in you have to be earn money,
If you
then
study
you
in the
can easily
government
study.
school,
Like we are studying home, we
You
are studying
study
in
free.
schools, we are studying schools because of money. My father earn money from doing job, so we are studying. So job
if
is
your
important
father
for
doing
us.
job, then
Many fathers are doing job.
but many father doing business on business.
We, yes, I agree with your point, but many fathers doing first job, then he enters into the like a business. It is a depend upon situation. If your grandfather have a more field, then your father can directly do the business. If you
He
if you
hasn't more field.
Could you
if my grandfather doesn't have a more money, doesn't have more field, then my father has to start first job, then he can do the business.
if you have any ideas that any one person from job and got increased by like as Mukesh Ambani doing the business and he is richest person in Asia, and do you have any ideas from job any one person that is
He belongs to a business family. That's why he got this opportunity.
what is their family's business?
He's Dhiru Bhai Ambani has already the business family. He belongs to business family.
And Ratan Tata.
Ratan Tata also, Jamshed Tata. You know the name.
But Jamshed Tata starts from zero.
Yeah, so that's why I'm telling you.
and
If you
patient-
start from zero
patient-
level,
you have to
that's why I'm telling you.
we are getting that, you have to
If you start zero level, so you have to job first. You have to do job
No,
first.
sir.
So I'm telling that If you want to become a successful person, you have to need money. So you have to get my point that you have to be need money. So you want to money, then you have to be like do job. So you can
For
be
job,
success.
for getting job,
I'm
you
not telling all the person. It's some persons that you can he can do the directly to business. It's not all the persons.
if anyone have no money,
Why
he
my father
knows
is-
from
why my
Only
father
some
is
persons are successful in
why
business,
why
not all
why are
people
the in the villages you can see that they are the many peoples why they are not doing like business because
Yeah.
business can be their flop because of the they are no are the to
They
take
have
your to take their products.
If you start business, you have more. You have to face more.
You have to be give like you have to give the employers you have to be pay the money and you have to give him you if your business suppose you are business flop you don't have money then you will be also flop then you cannot be doing the business.
yes.
So I'm telling you that first if you want to become a successful person first you have to do job.
This is not
For
important. If
education you have to need education and you have to improve your communication skills. Yeah, there are different types of skills you have to be learn then you have to do job and do job then you can earn more money and more money then you can experience many more things in the to asking the businessman persons so then you can do the business.
You said
you-
that if you start business, so you have to. If you do job, so you have to some skill. But if you start a business, so you also have to some skills. Without skill, how can you run your business?
If you do business, you do practical, and you learn more many things according to your business.
Yeah, in
according
jobs,
to your job,
in jobs also you have to do practical and practical.
you do practical only those things which your boss say. And in your business, you think and you do all around. And many you handle your employee, you do your own product, you do your collect your product, you do also accountant work.
Yeah, but suppose if you are not successful in that, so how can you?
How
How can you run?
why
your
you
business?
start a big business? You start from a small business.
Yeah, I see.
You have a skill of cutting hair anyone, so you start from a cutting hair, then you slowly you become a begin a salon. If you become a
Lots
begin,
of saloons are there, so if people are not coming in my saloon, so
if you start from a
start from zero. In starting, if you go from business, then
You have
But in
you are
job,
ma'am
in
you are saying that
starting
you
you
have to
have
start salon you want to start salon the
Yes.
salon if you start salon they have to take a room the room price they have to rent the room price and
I'm not
if you
saying
want to
it's
take
starting in a
installment you have to take installment
Yeah.
because of the if you do job then you can easily take the installments you have to need money so you can do business.
if you starting from small, you have only a scissor, one comb, and one mirror. Start from them.
It's not possible man you have to need only the scissor you have to need only comb it's not possible only this.
From a small business, you start from a business.
But
To-
nowadays
to purchase
people are
these
liking
things,
to
ma'am,
go
to
there
purchase-
good salon, not like your yeah, like tapri salon.
To purchase these things you have to be need money.
if you from good saloon, then in past few years he is free.
These things are
Yeah.
not all about the all the persons.
If
These
you
things
have-
are only the for the rich
I am
persons.
talking about nowadays.
If you favor job, but for job you have skill. If I don't be skill, you not do job.
That's why I am telling you. No, you don't need to skill. If you start business, then you have to more skill.
If anyone person from village
If
and
you
you
go
have
to do job, so they will provide you what all have to you do. But in business, no anyone can tell you what you have to do.
Yes.
if you any from the village
And in starting, in job, you starting. If you go, suppose your month, 1 month is completed, your fixed salary is come like 20k, 50k, like etc. And in business, suppose people are not coming and sales are not going good, so you are 1000. What you will do for that?
for business the patience is very important.
Patience is very important. That, yeah, it's right. But you have to run your family. You have to run your own business. You have to some money.
In starting a business,
These type of risks can be taken by the rich persons. We cannot be taken middle class family cannot be taken these type of risks
Suppose-
because of the family condition is you know very well that what is the family condition of, because our fathers are in the very difficulty level we have to be study. So I am telling you that we should focus on first job, then we should go on the business, because we are not the rich person. I am not talking about rich persons,
Then you will start your business.
Suppose
If
that
your business is going losing,
because money is very important for doing business.
Job money.
suppose that any one person illiterate and how to do his job.
First a person that how many person illiterate?
Yes.
Illiterate means educated person, na?
Not educated, not
Not
well
educated.
educated. So then how do he do
Get a job.
get a job?
Yeah, many people are laborers are doing jobs.
So-
they are
so-
also not.
So
educated people.
in this way that job is a very play important role. His father can be do job, then he can study your like children's. Yes, it's play job is a very important. Her father cannot be afford the business, so you have to do only job.
क्या बोले?
Yes. And uneducated people are also doing job. You can see laborers and many people are who have not got government job. They have do private job also.
You have no any idea.
And ma'am
No,
is-
firstly, ma'am is talking that if you like do business like a tea, then
Yeah.
if you drink tea, like there are many tea.
Yeah,
tea.
there are many teas.
Yes, tea
And,
business
and you go there and ask him how much money they earn to sell their coffee, sell their.
Yes, I know
They
that.
earn many more money.
You-
You listen about street food.
Ma'am,
If you go Karma Chai wala, he get
yes, I am there. In the villages, you can see.
money.
In the villages, you can see the tea tapri. You can in the villages, you can see the tea businesses. But
Yeah.
they are not able to.
I asked them. They only earn 5 to 8K only per month.
Yes. Why they are not become a successful
They
person?
haven't increased her skill. In a village, you say that tapri chai जो भी है. They,
For learning business,
For
learning skill,
Dolly Chai wala,
for learning skill, you have to make money. You have to study.
more money. And MBA Chai wala, he starts from zero and
Dolly Chai wale, he is luck to become his
not luck.
What luck?
This is hard
you
work.
believe in a lot.
This is hard work.
You believe.
No,
you
not
believe-
hard money. It's a chapari.
Not a sabri.
It's a chapari luck.
You are talking about the MBA chai wala. MBA chai wala is the new education by the parents' job, because his parents job working in the job, so her parents earn money and they are doing job.
People made him famous, then he become of that.
But why?
It's a
He
kind
has
of
skills and
sabri chai.
he has skills for job. He has skills for business.
He hasn't done any
famous.
hard work.
Then he is
He has only
Bill,
sabri work.
Bill Gates come here. Then he is sabri. But Bill Gates come here.
We are not saying anything is chapri.
Bill Gates came here to make know their own name, yeah, popularity, because everyone forgetting day by day. So he came here to make their name again, because people are forgetting them, and so many people are, because in businessman Adani now you can see Adani come first.
So you says that chai wala earn money in 1 day 5,000. In 30 days 5.
No, I said in 1 month.
Not this
In
is
1 month.
in-
Have you ever asked? Have you ever seen?
Yes.
I will get you see to ask him
Yes.
how much money they are
Yes.
to sell
I
their
see,
tea.
I see.
Anyone not
So
tell about their salary?
suppose if everyone is if everyone start their own tea business, so what other people can do? What the company, how could the company run? How can company run? How it is suppose if no anyone can become a driver, so how is the product is coming? How the chai patti is coming?
Yes.
How the milk is coming?
Yes. Not.
Okay, I'm agree with you. Job is important. Tell me that those people who start doing a business, they give a job. How he can start their business?
How can he
Yeah, how
give
can he
the
start from
how
the
can he
business?
give the jobs for them? Because he in tea chai wala he has own chai wala.
Not
So-
about the chai wala, because you say that if all people selling a chai wala or the pani puri, then how can it start business?
Yes, he
company
can
then-
start business like first of all they have to be study and they have to be improve your communication skills and there are different types of skills they have to be learned. Because
Yeah,
for learning,
I
for
got
learning,
that point.
for
I
learning,
got that. I got that. I
Then
got
you
that.
said that
No,
you said you
I
said
have got that point.
that
Suppose if you
open
suppose if
the
you are
chat,
businessman, listen
if you-
listen first. Suppose you are businessman and you are providing a job, and if you said jobs are not good, and they have
I'm not
mentality
saying
of
jobs are
that,
not good.
if they think job is not good for
I'm
good
not
for
saying
that,
that job is
so
not
if
good.
they are not doing job,
Jobs are
so
not
how
good.
can you run your business?
business are the businessmen are the yes, you have,
Yeah.
but jobbers are the more.
Yeah.
Because
How can you run your business if you stand a company?
in India
So,
many
and
people say
in
want to job and he is unemployed for a job because he has
That's why
want
I'm
to-
telling you jobs is more important than business. If
How can it start there?
if all the persons became a businessman,
They give a
then
job.
where will they
How
go?
can it start their
Like
business? I also wanna understand that how can it start their business and how he gave their job. Those person who start their business, who establish their business, how he can.
Stop. I will. Okay. He can stop. He can.
you said that sir
Now,
if anyone
he will handle
if you open the child and he wants milk but milk is coming from a businessman also a businessman the chapati is coming from also a businessman he provides us and if he not provides a job
and who is running their business?
Jobbers are running their business and
if you not
running business.
if he not get a job
Jobber businessman is the complete businessman is only one.
if you
The jobbers are the
Jobbers
more.
are harder worker
if
than
he do not the if he give not the job the man unemployed
What?
the man unemployed if he not get the job
No, it's not point to get a job. There are many competitive jobs you can crack this.
not but I have a business I have more person for job if I not give him job
If you don't have money, you cannot be put as a jobbers.
If you will not give him job, so he will go other
other and he wandering and he got unemployed that's
No,
why
he will not unemployed. He will do anything.
now
Because
If you can see that you can see the like in the IIT you can see that he is talking about the unemployment. There are many unemployment. You can if you are doing a BTech, there are many in the IIT Delhi. You can see the 38% are the unemployed person.
Yeah.
Why this is a very
because he open
Because they have don't have a
because
skill.
he is opening on business he don't
all the persons has not opened the
Why
holiday.
they are not opening?
he don't
Why they are not opening their own business?
because
they have no money.
because he has started
They have no money to start their own
because he
business.
has start business and he
They have
starting
no money, and if they have to earn money, they have to do
Why
job
70% IITian are unemployed? Why you don't give a job? Give the job.
Because of they have a lot of don't have a skill, so they have to face a
Yeah,
problem.
there is important for doing a business
I'm
and
telling you
doing
that-
a job. There is it's
So I'm telling
important
you
the
that-
skill. You better skill. You do also a job. You also a business.
So I'm
In
telling you
any-
that you have to be educated person and you have to learn there are different types of skills they have to learn and communication skill, public spoken skills and
Yeah.
electrical skills. There are different types of skill you have to be learn. Then you have to be do a business and you have to be job.
If you skill, then you do job and then you do business. So there is no important job and business area.